What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am in Pennsylvania at Limitless Auto Works, meeting up with my pal Rich Brandy, holding up the hoist. We got the duty here. We did the first maintenance this Labor Day weekend and a little extra stuff. We will get into that later. Just a little extra stuff. But after doing the first maintenance, oh shit, look at this two-door Excursion. After doing my first maintenance, I thought it would be a good idea to show everybody how to reset their oil change light on their new duty. We are rocking 4200, and go ahead and turn your key on. That's right, built Ford tough. And we're gonna use the steering wheel controls to cycle through the instrument cluster menu. So we're going to get all the way back to this screen here. Yes, driving 8 hours, that was my fuel economy with about 1,000 pounds in the bed. So we are going to scroll through all these tabs. If you notice the tabs at the top, truck info, trip fuel, my view, you're going to go all the way over to the tab that has truck info. You're going to scroll down to your engine information, and it is going to display your hours and your temps. You're going to use the down arrows to go down in the menu, and you're going to notice the oil change life is at 23%. You're going to hit OK, and then you are going to hold OK to reset to 100%, and then let go of the OK button. I did go ahead and filled my DEF up. I was at a half tank. I adjusted all my air pressures. I haven't driven it yet, but I'm going to be putting them all at 65 instead of the recommended placard of 60 and 80. And that, my friends, is how you reset your oil life intelligent monitor on your 6.7 Super Duty. Tell me what you think about that in the comment section below, and if any of you guys want to see the sweet add-ons that I put on, because once you see them, anybody with this setup is going to want to do this to their duty. I'm telling you right now. Make sure to look up Limitless Auto Works here in the description below. Check out Rich, check out all of his work. He does some, if you guys thought I did good work, you got to check this guy out. He does phenomenal work. So like, sub, share, comment. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. See you.